Pangarap maging arkitekto? Itigil mo na yan. Hindi mo kakayanin yan. Mahirap ang propesyon na yan. Hello everyone, I'm Jeramil, Principal Architect of JBES. Today, samahan niyo ako sa aking journey bilang lisensyadong arkitekto. Isang challenging na propesyon, but still, we managed to have a life with a purpose. Today is our very special day para sa United Architects of the Philippines Quezon Province Chapter. Dahil induction and turnover of officers and oath-taking of new members at binisita din tayo ng National President, mahalagang panauhin and industry partners. At dahil part din tayo ng special committee, we were asked to look for a reliable supplier para sa ating mga souvenirs, which is Kizuna Creates. For the second time around, I was asked to connect with the event host. Siyempre, tinawag na natin agad ang pangmalakas, Sir Andrew Coro, aka the Chinito host. And for the third time around, I was asked also to connect with the performers. So, siyempre, MSEUF Banyuhay Dance Troupe na agad yan. At siyempre, pasilip ko lang din ang malupit na performance in 3, 2, 1. Kaya naman, super duper energized at na-handle ng punong-puno ng positivity ang venue. Pero, baliwala ang lahat kung hindi natin alam kung para saan ang lahat ng ating pagsusumigasig. A life with a purpose. Sino ba ang sentro ng buhay natin? Sometimes we feel empty, hinahanap natin sa mga bagay na pwedeng i-offer ng mundo, pero bakit walang contentment? Parang kulang pa rin. And yes, kahit ano pa ang gawin natin, kung walang Kristo sa puso natin, baliwala ang lahat. The greatest satisfaction is the satisfaction that comes from the Lord. In Psalms chapter 16 verse 11, "You make known to me the path of life. In your presence there is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore." Masarap mabuhay seeing how we give impact and influence sa community na ginagalawan natin. Hindi man perfect, but we still manage to step up. My architecto journey is content na hindi ko pinaghihinayangan na mawala because for me, this is my own and personal way of trying, and maybe someone out there listening to this at ma-inspire at mag-step up na kung kaya ko, mas makakaya mo din. Walang dapat ipagmalaki dahil ito ay buhay na ipinahiram lamang sa atin. Makantan man natin ang bawat titulo sa mundong ito, baliwala kung hindi mo alam kung ano ang buhay na makabuluhan. A life with a purpose. Once again, I'm Jeramil. Thank you sa pagsama at pagstay hanggang dulo. Kaya kung mabot ka dito, type purpose.